Hello again and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to back up and restore your WhatsApp messages on Android. If you're new to the channel, please leave a like and consider subscribing. So without further ado, let's jump right in. So hop on your WhatsApp. Mine's a fresh account so you won't see any messages, but no worries, we can still do backup and restore. So the first step is to tap on the three dots at the top right corner, then tap on Settings. Then tap on Chat Settings. Scroll down and tap on Chat Backup. Here, you can see a lot of backup options for your WhatsApp. I'm gonna show you what's the best settings in order to maximize your backup. First, tap end-to-end encryptions. Here, you can make your backup more secure. No one, not even Google or WhatsApp, can access it. So go ahead and turn it on, set up a password, hit next, then create. Now the next thing is, set these settings to daily or whatever you prefer. Then, bind your Google account to set a cloud backup location for your WhatsApp. Now there is a two toggle options. One is for enabling your backup through mobile data, and the last one is for including videos to your backup. After all this is done, you can now tap the backup button to save your messages and videos on your Google Drive. Now, I'm gonna show you how to restore your backup on WhatsApp. I uninstalled my WhatsApp to show you that even though you have a new phone, you can still access your old messages that you back up through Google Drive. I'm gonna open my new WhatsApp, then just follow the on-screen steps, and after you input your number and password, this message will pop up. Hit restore and wait for a couple of seconds. This depends on how big is your backup. Now you can truly restore your messages, including the videos, if you turn on that options as well. Well, I hope this one helps. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.